Hey, this is Lady C. Welcome to Creative Studio. And if you're one of those individuals that send an email to the same group of people over and over again, I'm going to step you through a tutorial on how to create a group using Gmail. You'll need to open Google Apps. Simply locate the 9 small squares to open a drop-down menu displaying various Google applications. Scroll through the list and click on the Google Contacts icon. Next, create a label by clicking on the New Label button located on the left-hand side of the screen. Enter a name for your new label, which is your email group, and then click Save. Now, select the contacts you want to add to your group by checking the box next to each contact's name. When complete, click the label icon. It looks like a tag at the top of the page. Select the label you created from the drop-down menu to add the selected contacts to your new label. And this will be your email group. And then click Apply to complete the task. When you are ready to create and send an email to your new email group, open Gmail and click on Compose to start a new email. In the To field, start typing the name of the label you created. Select the label from the suggestions. All the contacts in the label will be added to the email. Compose your email as usual and click Send when complete. Thank you so much for being in my audience. Please show some support to my channel by subscribing, and also hit that like button if you enjoyed these tips and they were helpful. And I'll see you on the next tutorial.